Rub some oil on your shoes and they'll look like you just took them out of the box. Dirty shoes, especially the rubber soles, can be super frustrating, and cleaning them feels like a real challenge. But don't worry, there's no need to throw them out or buy a new pair. I've got a simple trick that really works. Grab a small bowl and add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda has a gentle, abrasive effect, whitens the surface, and neutralizes odors. Next, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Canola or sunflower oil works great. It softens grime and breaks down greasy stains. Now add a tablespoon of white toothpaste, just the plain kind, no gels or colors. Toothpaste contains mild abrasives and whitening agents. Mix everything well until you get a thick paste. Take a sponge and apply the mixture to the rough side. Scrub the dirty parts of your shoes thoroughly. You'll see the difference right away. The soda lifts the dirt, the oil dissolves the grease, and the toothpaste brightens the surface. Your shoes will shine like new. No need for expensive products or replacements. This simple method brings your shoes back to life, clean, fresh, and ready for your next step. Once a month, do this with your washing machine, and you'll forget about expensive repairs. Hardly anyone knows this trick. We use our washers almost every day, so regular maintenance is essential. One part we often overlook is the filter. It catches lint, hair, and small debris, and if it clogs, it can cause serious issues. Place a towel under the filter to protect the floor. Take an empty plastic bottle and carefully cut off the top. Then cut out a side section so it fits snugly under the filter opening. Unscrew the filter slowly. All the dirty water and residue will drain right into the bottle. It's a great way to see how much gunk builds up inside. Take out the filter and scrub it thoroughly with a brush in the sink. This helps remove dirt from every crevice. Don't forget to clean the filter housing too, where residue can also collect. Pour a little water inside to flush it out. Reinsert the clean filter and tighten it well. Done. The filter is clean, your washer runs like new, and you avoid an expensive repair bill. A way to quickly clean potatoes without all the scrubbing. Instead of washing them under running water the traditional way, you can use a washing machine. But that's not all. Before I show you this trick, get a large bowl, fill it with cold water, and add a few tablespoons of coarse salt. The salt acts like a natural scrub and removes dirt and soil that's often hard to wash off by hand. Place the potatoes in the solution, mix them well with your hand, and let them sit for a few minutes. Finally, rinse the potatoes under running water, and you're done. This is a classic method worth knowing. If you want to do it even faster, put the potatoes in the washing machine. Add a kitchen scrubber to help remove dirt more thoroughly from their surface. Choose a washing program, ideally one that's short and gentle so the potatoes don't get damaged. The machine will do all the work for you, gently cleaning them on all sides. After the cycle finishes, the potatoes will be perfectly clean and ready for further preparation. It's a great way to save time and reduce kitchen work, especially when cooking for a large group. Apply toothpaste to your fridge gasket. Mold and grime will disappear before you even finish your coffee. No scrubbing pads or stiff brushes needed. The method I'm about to show you is incredibly effective. Grab a small bowl and pour in a 1/4 cup of regular water. Warm water works great. Next, take some toothpaste. Its gentle abrasives and antibacterial properties help lift dirt effectively. Add a small amount of toothpaste to the bowl. Mix well until the paste dissolves. Now add some dish soap. It cuts through grease and helps break down stubborn grime. Add 1 tablespoon. The next ingredient is baking soda. It has cleaning, whitening, and disinfecting properties. 1 tablespoon is enough to create a powerful mixture. Stir thoroughly until everything is well combined and dissolved. Pour the finished solution into a spray bottle. Spray the fridge door gasket generously. Let it sit for about 2 minutes. Then wipe it clean with a soft cloth. The result? A clean, fresh, whiter gasket with no mold or grime. One simple mix and your fridge will look like new. This is how you'll clean even a very dirty toilet without any scrubbing. The fizzing foam will do all the work for you. Prepare a small bowl. Add 6 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda has disinfecting properties and handles tough grime very well. Add 6 tablespoons of citric acid too. This natural ingredient has a whitening effect. removes limescale, neutralizes unpleasant odors, and boosts the cleaning power of the entire mixture. Pour the contents of the bowl into the toilet. But that's not all. Add a bit of your favorite dish soap. It will help break down greasy dirt. Next, pour about 1.5 quarts of vinegar into the toilet. Vinegar has strong disinfecting properties. It effectively eliminates bacteria, fungi, and mold. When the ingredients combine, the mixture will start to fizz vigorously. This chemical reaction acts like an invisible brush that reaches every corner. Leave the foam for several minutes so it has time to dissolve dirt and disinfect the toilet interior. After just a few minutes, you'll notice a fresh, clean scent in the bathroom, and your toilet will shine like new. Apply shaving foam to a broom. While we usually associate it with shaving, this foam has another brilliant use. All you need is a regular broom, which most of us already have at home. Apply the foam to both sides of the broom head, making sure all the bristles are fully covered. This setup is a game changer for older people or anyone with back problems. Simply flip the broom and spread the foam over your tiles and shower walls. The foam works like a soapy cleaner with a higher potassium hydroxide content, so it's incredibly effective. But that's not all. Leave it on for 20 minutes. After that, attach a microfiber cloth to the broom and secure it with a rubber band. You can now dry the surface quickly without streaks or water spots. The result? Sparkling clean tiles and bathroom surfaces with a fresh scent that lingers for days. This method makes cleaning easier, faster, and much more comfortable. This dissolves limescale in just 1 minute. It will shine like new for months, and even hard water won't leave a trace. Dried limescale buildup not only looks bad, but it can also block water flow and damage your fixtures. That's why it's important to act as soon as you notice the first signs of buildup. One of the most effective solutions is a homemade paste made from 2 ingredients everyone has at home. Add 1 cup of laundry detergent to a bowl. Laundry detergent breaks down grease and grime, softens water, has mild whitening properties, and foams well, making it perfect for cleaning many surfaces. Pour in 1/2 cup of vinegar. Vinegar helps soften and dissolve the buildup. Mix until you get a thick paste. Apply it to the affected area, spread evenly, and leave it for a few minutes. Then wipe with a damp cloth. The residue disappears, and the faucet looks brand new. The same trick works on a shower head or glass doors. If you don't have detergent, you can also use plain vinegar. Just fill a plastic bag with it, tie it around the faucet with a rubber band, and after 30 minutes the limescale softens and peels off easily.